Okay guys, I got some new stuff. So first, this is my favorite game in the whole entire world. Not my favorite game. It's just my second favorite game. It's the Mario dog thing. It has the leash right here. And there it is. I like this one because it looks like a bowling ball. I got some putty. It's hard to get out because it's putty. You need some strong muscles to get this out. It's hard. Alright, so there it is. There it is. There's the putty. It's blue, but if you look at it, kind of, it's shiny. So the case looks like that. It's a thinking putty. It feels kind of like rubbery, but it's still fun. Look at that. It's a really fun putty. You can get this at Walmart. So that's where I only found it. It's a fun toy. It bounces. And yeah, so that's all I got.